Have you ever opened an Excel sheet only to find that your carefully crafted drop-down lists have gone haywire? It's frustrating, right? If you face this issue with openpyxl, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to fix the loss of data validation when using openpyxl. I completely understand how annoying it is when your data validation drop-downs get messed up. You're not alone in this. Many users have encountered this issue, and it can really disrupt your workflow. Let's take a look at Robert's situation. He mentioned that when he imports an existing Excel sheet using openpyxl and saves it, the data validation dropdowns change unexpectedly. For example, the source for cell C13 changes from a correct range to an incorrect one. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this? It seems that openpyxl may not handle merged cells or certain data validation settings correctly, leading to these discrepancies. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's happening. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue of lost data validation in Excel when using openpyxl, the user should first ensure they are using the latest version of openpyxl. This can help avoid bugs that may have been fixed in newer releases. Next, the user should consider checking how the data validation is being set up in the original Excel file. If the data validation is based on merged cells, it may lead to unexpected behavior when loading and saving the file. After that, the user can try to explicitly set the data validation after loading the workbook. This means reapplying the data validation rules to the affected cells after the workbook is loaded. Finally, the user should save the workbook again after reapplying the data validation. This ensures that the correct settings are preserved in the saved file. Fun fact, did you know that Excel was first released in 1985? It's come a long way, but even today it can still throw us some curveballs. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution suggests that the issue with data validation might stem from overlapping cell ranges in your Excel sheet. This overlap can confuse both openpyxl and Excel. When examining the data validations, the scref property reveals which cells the validations apply to. Overlapping ranges can lead to unexpected behavior. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your data validation settings after using openpyxl. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to maintain your data validation settings when using openpyxl. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our bonus content on Excel best practices.